Plug in the unit. The screen will flash once. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Press the plus button or the minus button to adjust the heating level. Short press the mode button to switch between eco mode and normal mode. Press the plus button or the minus button to adjust the set temperature to your desired value. With each pressing, the temperature will change 1 Fahrenheit. Long press to adjust quickly. And the setting range is 41 to 95 Fahrenheit. Long press the mode button. The digital display shows a 3 seconds countdown and enters the child lock mode. All the function buttons will be invalid. Long press the mode button again to exit the child lock mode. Short press the mute button to enter the silent mode. All operation will be silent. Short press the mute button again to exit the silent mode. Short press the timer button to enter the auto-off timer settings mode. Press the plus button or the minus button to adjust the time. With each pressing, the timer will change 1 hour. Long press to adjust quickly. If no operation is performed within 3 seconds, the current settings will be saved. And the setting range is 0 to 24 hours. Press the timer button twice to exit the timer settings mode. In the off state, press the timer button to enter the auto on timer setting mode and adjust the time in the same way. Note, setting 00 can also cancel the timer. Long press the power button. The digital display will show a 10 seconds countdown. Then the unit will restore the default settings, the normal mode in H3 gear. The unit is equipped with a resting screen function. If no operation is performed within 20 seconds, the screen will rest with only the power indicator staying on. Press any button to wake up the screen. Press the power button to turn off the unit at any time. Caution: do not place your hands near the container while the unit is running to avoid burns.